Hey guys, this is the best price house in Seaview, and I'm here to give you a little bit of a tour today. We're here at 31 Laurel, which is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, approximately 1,500 square foot home on an oversized lot in the Brookhaven part of Seaview. In addition to this wonderful oversized great room, we also have one of the biggest pools on Fire Island, a private separate guest house with its own bath, as well as a set of plans that envision a second-story renovation that would give the house great bay views and another 2 bedrooms. Here in the great room area, you see a very nice oversized living room couch, huge hangout space. You can probably seat at least 10 people. A very large dining area with seating for 8, and a kitchen island, which has seating for an additional 3 people. Very modern, updated appliances, including a propane range. And here down in the bedroom corridor, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths in the house. You can see these bathrooms are both very good sizes and renovated. One of the nice hidden features of this house is that there is access into the bathroom from the outside shower. So you could come off the beach, stop at the outside shower, and then come inside through this side door. Out here, you'll notice the mature landscaping, which makes the house completely private from the street. And you also see one of the largest pools that I've ever seen on Fire Island. Over here we have the guest house, which features a very nice seating area as well as a full ensuite bath. Here you'll see the renderings of what the second floor expansion plans would look like. This is just an artist conception, but the floor plans do envision adding 2 additional bedrooms on the second floor and some additional deck space that would give you amazing bay views. One of the really great things about this location is that it is directly across the street from the Seaview Bay Beach. That means that a second floor would get views of the bay that would not be blocked because Seaview is never going to build anything there. As with all real estate, location is everything, and one of the great things about 31 Laurel is its proximity to all of the Seaview amenities. Just across the street, you have the Seaview tennis and softball field, as well as the Seaview Bay Beach. The Seaview Bay Beach features many wonderful amenities, including a kiddie pool, a basketball court, a large playground, and a lifeguarded, roped-off access to the bay, as well as many special events that the Seaview Association holds there in the summers. Another benefit of 31 Laurel's location is that it's in the town of Brookhaven. This offers 2 primary advantages to a homeowner. One is low carrying costs, so the property taxes at this house are only about $7,500 per year. The flood insurance is another $2,500 approximately, so it's only $10,000 annually for those 2 expenses. The other benefit is very favorable zoning. So Brookhaven allows for swimming pools to be built on smaller lots than in the islip part of Seaview, which is approximately 2/3 of the town.